How's it going? Well, working on a Briggs & Stratton V-twin here in a Husqvarna with barely like 80 hours on it. And come to find out, either it has a cam issue or something's not happy. That ain't good. Here, let's get that valve cover off. And what do we got behind door number 1? Oh, that ain't good. Yeah, those are supposed to be connected to here. Gonna have to get the other side off. And what do we got? Okay, so this side's connected. Interesting. Here, let's see if we can oh, seems the cam is connected. Gonna have to dig into this one further. What do you guys and gals think it is? Is it the cam or failure to install a new cam correctly? Well, took some doing, but seems there was a lot of malice in the combustion palace here. Look at that. We got some connecting rods. Yeah, they don't seem to be connecting anymore, and yeah, that's perfectly fine. Apparently Uncle Rodney just had to separate into a million pieces here, but let's check out the cam, because maybe the cam's fine. Nope. She's a little bent. Yeah, that's pretty impressive. On this 24 horsepower Briggs twin cylinder. Yeah. So do you guys think it was the cam that caused it? Or is this a normal occurrence on these? Because this thing's pretty much done. Well, this seems to have escalated pretty quick, so a little bit of an update. That other engine that was on here, not rebuildable. It pretty much gave up the ghost. Uncle Rodney had a party inside there and broke a lot of things. Bent the cam. Well, you know, just so happens that I got this other Husqvarna. This one has a failed hydrostatic. I believe it's the K46. I don't really want to replace it, so we're just going to go ahead and get the motor off of it, because this thing actually runs pretty good. It's got a bad muffler, but we can use the other muffler. Here, hold on. Now this thing should just start right up. There we go. And it's good. Runs good enough. Yeah, we're going to take it from here and put it on here so we can get this one back out there mowing again. Well, it bolted right on. Haven't even tried to start it yet, but let's see what we get. It should start right up. Now, let's see. What do we get? Maybe. Hold on. Sometimes you just got to give it a little gas. Yeah, that'll be fine. All right, let's try it. There you go. She's a runner. Let's give her a little throttle. And like that, it's back together. Very nice. Got the hood back on. All tidied up. She's good to go. We're going to go out and make sure that all the gears work and the deck works. All right. Oh, let's see. Will it go forward? And will it engage the deck? Here we go.